I'm trading with the same identical thing. Emperor Dragon. We have the same names. Emperor. That's me. Emperor. But I'm gonna follow on this one. Yeah, I think that's pretty... What are the odds of that? You have the same names. Same pet. What are the odds of that? It's really weird. So, yeah. Bye.